All drivers should have one of the best dash cams no matter where or what you drive. Dash cams are your second set of eyes on today's mean streets, unlike a passenger. A dash cam is ever alert to what's happening, keeping a record complete with timestamp and GPS coordinates. The dash cam market is huge, however there's a huge number of cameras to choose from, all with different features, price tags, and designs. How do you know which one to look for? To find out, we put several dash cams to the test to gauge their performance and whether they're worth buying. Watch on to check out our picks for the best dash cams available right now. Introducing the Nextbase 320XR dash cam. The standard feature set of the 320XR includes 1080 pixel HD recording for the front and rear camera, all-round protection to guard against tailgater and rear-end impacts, bright and clear 2.5 inches HD IPS screen, 140-degree wide viewing angle, rear window camera connects to the front-facing dash cam via a 6.5 meters cable, exclusive click and go Pro-powered car mount, picture-in-picture to open the rear view in full screen, minimize it, or use as a reversing camera. Intelligent parking mode records any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unattended. The 320XR uses the exclusive Click and Go Pro mount with integrated neodymium magnetic power connectors for easy installation and removal using just one hand. Vantrue N2 Pro. If you'd rather save the hassle of having two dash cam modules to cover your front and rear, the Vantrue N2 Pro might be a sold option for you. Not only does it feature an additional lens to cover your rear, it lets you adjust the angle of that lens to better suit the interior of your car. The overall footage isn't the best quality, with some graininess and lens flare. You'll still end up with crisp, clear videos to keep tabs on what's happening on the roads around you. Of course, it's missing a lot of important things, like wireless connectivity of any kind, which will make accessing your videos a little bit more difficult, but with all the basics on board, and a secondary camera included in the price, then this is a dash cam well worth considering, especially for the $170 price tag. Nextbase 622GW. If you have money to burn, then the Nextbase 622GW has all the features you could ever want from a dash cam, and more. The design certainly won't set the world on fire, but it has an unparalleled feature set that offers some of the best video quality of any dash cam currently on the market. The 622GW can record video in 4K 120 FPS, built-in image stabilization to ensure you have silky smooth recordings, an extreme weather mode, and a polarizing filter that will minimize reflections that would otherwise spoil your film. The 622GW also connects to Nextbase's $100 rear view camera to see what's going on behind you. Though the fact that this camera costs so much and doesn't offer two-way recording by default may irk the more price-conscious among you.